Hey, Tim Jump here at Hayward Allen Toyota. Been here 18 years, so hopefully I know what I'm talking about. All right, so today I'm gonna go over real quick Apple CarPlay and a couple of its benefits. So Apple CarPlay is really easy to set up and use. So basically, you just make sure your phone cable is plugged up to the first USB port down here. Take the cable, plug up your phone. It's pretty much that easy. So what it's gonna do is gonna ask for permission. So I always say always enable, that way you don't have to do it every time you plug up the phone. And then also what it's going to do is going to pull it up. Usually a lot of times on your phone it's going to ask if it's okay to mirror to the vehicle itself. I already did it once or twice on my first goof ups, but anyway, so now I can hit this right here and it's my phone settings. So basically it's mirroring my phone up here on the dash. So all your navigation apps, your music apps, podcast, audiobooks, phone, text messaging, you can all access through the vehicle. You can swipe to get to the different things, or you can have a different view where it's more of a vertical. So now I have like my navigation over here, got some information, my podcast right here. But once you're plugged up, driving down the road, all you do is use the Hey Siri feature. So on the steering wheel here, you're just gonna hit the little push to talk feature right here, button on the steering wheel as you're driving. You hit that little button.
Before you start, consider viewing the available video tutorials or voice training functions.
Hey Siri, text Holly, I love you.
I'm on it. Your message to Holly Jump says I love you.
And it does that.
Okay, it's sent.
So I can also do other things like, hey Siri, oh, hit the button. Hey Siri, directions to Hayward Allen Toyota.
Getting directions to Hayward Allen Toyota.
So I can do all that as I'm driving down the road. So we'll get all that. It's that easy. So if you have the Hey Siri feature activated on your phone, you drive down the road, just use Hey Siri for your needs. Anyway, Tim Jump here, checking off. Thanks.